What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung has been dominating the news cycle lately with the Galaxy S20 and Z Flip, but it looks like OnePlus may want to steal some of the spotlight with the OnePlus 8 Pro. We have a fair share of idea of how this handset is gonna look like courtesy of OnLeaks' renders, but today we have some live pictures of the handset that bears it all ahead of its launch next month. Someone got their hands on the OnePlus 8 Pro and posted pictures on Snapchat. It showcases the punch hole camera that sits in the top left of the display. This is in line with previous renders that we have seen. With the OnePlus 8 series, OnePlus is doing away with pop-up cameras that it first introduced with the OnePlus 7 Pro. After mocking Samsung, Apple and Google with this video, OnePlus is adopting a similar punch hole design just a year later. The back of the phone shows OnePlus has done some minor refinements to the OnePlus 7 Pro and added an additional time of flight sensor. There will be a purple color variant too, which in my opinion looks really good. We also have specifications of the handset which showcases that 12GB of RAM will be offered in the highest variant starting from 8. The camera configuration will be 64, 20 and 12 megapixel with an additional time of flight sensor. It's an improvement in numbers compared to the OnePlus 7 Pro, but we'll have to wait and see how this translates to the real world performance. The main USP of this handset is going to be the 120Hz fluid display, not just because of the higher refresh rate but also due to the custom MEMC chip that OnePlus has built into the OnePlus 8 Pro. You see, the CEO of OnePlus, Pete Lau, has teased that the 120Hz fluid display will come with motion interpolation as well. Lau says that the company has integrated a custom MEMC chip that can push an ordinary 30fps video up to 120fps, allowing you to see much smoother footage. Essentially, this means that the custom chip will be able to create additional frames to feed in a higher frame rate for an original 30fps or 60fps video. As you can see, he also tweeted a short video teaser of the MEMC capabilities on the OnePlus 8 Pro. The MEMC chip is often integrated on higher-end TVs to simulate higher frame rates. For the smartphone, OnePlus has created a custom MEMC chip that is capable of elevating a 30fps video to up to 120 frames per second. This is done by altering the frame rate, and Lau says that this will enable users to take full advantage of the 120Hz fluid display. The 120Hz offered by the Galaxy S20 doesn't have the MEMC chip, so clearly OnePlus has a great advantage here. You see, we can barely find 120Hz video on the internet. The higher refresh rate you'll experience is only going to be at the system UI and on some websites, so I think it's smart on OnePlus's part to offer this custom chip which can make an ordinary 30fps video into 120 frames per second video, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this actually works and most importantly whether or not it works as advertised. Anyway, let me know what do you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.